ever seen Smokey and the Bandit? I'm sure you have if you're any kind of red-blooded American. Y'all remember that part where Buford T. Justice was driving his car with no roof, no doors, and everything else, and he was going through the county, and that sheriff pulled him over, and he said, "You can't drive this piece of shit on my highway." Well, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all something. I kind of feel that way right now. And you want to know why? I'm going to turn this corner. I'm going to put on some gas. I'm going to let you hear why I feel that way. Yeah. This ain't no race car. It just sounds like shit. Anyway, y'all, stay tuned. We'll be right back. What's up, everybody? Tourette's Trucker. I'm almost back. I'll be back on the road tomorrow, but the reason why I haven't put out any videos, I thought the external hard drive I brought had all the files for the openers and everything else. It did not. I thought I'd backed everything up on Google Drive, but no, when I changed my openers and everything, undoubtedly it didn't back up that folder. Yeah, I'm just noticing that Google Drive updated and changed it to a new version, and even my backup for my trucking software is not backing up the file. So I finally got it straightened out. I've been on YouTube all morning long, playing with it, looking at it, and looking at things they say. I think I finally got it somewhat backed up. It backed up some of them, but it still didn't back up the one main folder of the actual data folder. It's still an older file. So I don't know what the deal is, but anyway, I've got a truckload of stuff. Laptop, cameras, laundry back there. APU filter change kit, because I'm probably going to change my oil on the road somewhere while I'm out there. Oil, and I've got my chains and cables. Well, cables. For it. We got fresh litter for Thor, so I'm going to fix this litter box up. So I'm here at the house. We fixing to leave the house up here. Come on, car. Come on, car. I'm rolling, y'all. We headed up here. Got to get to Walmart, get a battery, because I'm tired of having to jump start. Every time I go to leave, I have to jump start this pickup. And then my exhaust. Still haven't been able to get the exhaust fixed. So let me listen to this. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's loud. But our service guy, service manager at the dealer, who always gives us a good deal, he actually gives us a single discount. It always knocks off other things, and it helps us out because we give him a lot of business. So I still don't have a catalytic converter, still don't have AC in the truck, which is good. There's only going to be 69 here today, so that's good. I won't be too hot. But the tag's up for renewal October 31st. It expires. Well, I've got to get it done before then. Well, because of where our county is, we're right there on that Georgia-Atlanta outskirts. One county over, we don't have to have emissions. But our county, we have to have freaking emissions tests done. And I went and tried to renew the tags on the other vehicles, and we're good. But then when I did on this one, oh no, we don't have anything on your emissions. So yeah, so I got to get the emissions done. But as what I might try to do, I definitely got to be back before the end of October. If I push it close to the end and then get the emissions, and then get the sticker and get the tag for it, then is what I can do, because emissions are good for a year. Then when I go to renew next year, try to get it renewed early before that year expires on the emissions. Then I won't have to have it done. Then I can skip a year on the emissions. So yeah, we did find that out. All about the renewal, as long as that year up, because that emission is good for a year. As long as you try to get it renewed before that year's up, you're good. So that's what I'm going to freaking try to do. So, but yeah, I gotta go stop, get a battery, because I'm tired. Every time I go home, I've got to freaking jump start this truck. This truck needs some major work. I mean, it is a 2000. Really needs a lot of work to it. I'm slowly, surely, hopefully I can get all that done. I mean, it needs new tires, it needs new shocks, it probably needs new brakes. Definitely needs some exhaust, it needs some interior work, it needs some new interior carpet. I got the door panels off the back because neither one of the back doors will open. I've got to get into the doors to break that apart to try to get them to where I can open them. Because you can pull them latch, nothing. So yeah, it's one of the things. This is just gonna take me some time to get all this mess straightened out, but hopefully I can get it and hopefully I get it worked out. But yes, I shall be back out tomorrow, y'all, tomorrow. And I do apologize. Like I say, I thought all the files that I had to do the videos were backed up on the external hard drive I brought home, but no, they're on the other external hard drive. I thought I had them backed up on this one too, but they were not. And I thought I had them backed up on Google Drive. At least the openers and the beginnings. Now, a lot of the stuff, like all the videos, I don't have backed up on the Google Drive, but I thought I at least had the openers and the beginners and the closers and things like that, the graphics for the, the openers, closers, those graphics, the transparent graphics and things like that, sounds and the music folder. I thought I had all that backed up, but since Google Drive wasn't backing everything up, it didn't back it up. That was one of the folders that it didn't back up. So I'm still working on that, so hopefully next time I come home, I'll have it all fixed in Google Drive. We'll be backing up like it's supposed to. Then we'll be able to put out some videos again, which is why y'all haven't seen any videos, y'all. I do apologize for that. I had every intention on doing this while I was home, but it did not work out. Anyway, y'all, we will holler at y'all later, and hope y'all have a good, safe, blessed day. Peace out.